Okay, let us start this. My name is Master Dalvi, and then we are starting with your remaining sums of lesson number 2. And this is what your numerical problem, page number 40, I have of this. And today we'll start with your fifth one. Last time, the last video, just में चार sum solve किए थे. And let me tell you one thing. This is lesson number 2 of the motion, and let us start with this. So first of all, your fifth one, let us read this. Fifth numerical problem, page number 40, I repeat. So the problem is an insect move through the 3.5 cm in 20 seconds, calculate its speed in mm per second. Okay, so starting with this, first of all, we have we can take one insect like this, okay, and then the insect is moving, that's a 3.5 cm, and how many seconds, that is the time taken, is this is your position A, this is your position B, and then what we have is the formula, speed is equal to distance upon time. So we have the distance over here, and we have the time over here. So let us do the division of this both your time. But first of all, I will convert this 3.5 cm into the mm, so point nikal jayega, and this is what we get. And after the division we will surely get something, the answer in the 1.74 mms. So this is the answer of your fifth one. And let us see your sixth one. Sixth one is little bit different. ये तो बहुत easy था. So let us start with your sixth one. Calculate the total distance traveled by a person in the 40 minutes when its uniform speed is 6 km per hour. So again, a diagram बहुत important है. You have to just connect your logic with your physics. Formula maybe textbook में दी है, सबको आता भी है. Maybe you can solve it, but अगर तुम लोगों का concept clear, your diagram, your filling, so your answer will be 100% right. Otherwise, if you need the formula, that's not enough to sort each and every sum. So let us start with this again. Okay, so what I have is a person moving from one place to another, is again a two position, and 40 minutes laga isko, 40 minutes laga for changing the position. And what was the speed taken? The speed taken was 6 km per hour. So now again the same formula, speed is equal to distance upon time. So when you are seeing a diagram, when you are seeing this, when जब आप ये formula देख रहे हो, diagram देख रहे हो, तो do the comparison. क्या दिया है? Speed दिया है, this is the speed, and then what is given is ये time दिया, तो क्या नहीं दिया? That is your distance. Distance को जगह पे रखो, time को left side में लेके जाओ. S into T is equal to D. Now the question is of your filling. The question is of your filling. So let us do the filling also. S is equal to T into your D. Speed is your 6, and your time, I am converting 40 minutes into the hour, and then I will get something like this, 2 upon 3, that's my hour into the hour conversion, and 3 ones are 3, 3 2s are 6, 2 2s are 4, and the 4 is the answer. 4 kilometer is the answer. That's all. बहुत easy था. But you can solve it, मतलब you can cross multiply, सबको आता है. But if you are doing like a division method in this, अगर एक this is a fraction I have taken. If you are taking a simple number, yes, तो it may be answer में थोड़ा error आ सकता है. But this is what I like. 2-3 method है, तो मुझे ये method ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा. So this was your sixth one. Let us see your seventh one. What is this? What we got? Okay. And yes, if you have any problem, you can comment below this ki sir ye sab samajh mein nahi aaya, you can explain one more time. So yes, I will surely reply to your comment, and maybe for the explanation I can make some more video. And yes, again काही प्रश्न असेल तर तुम्ही विचारू शकता comment section मध्ये, मी surely तुम्हाला answer देईन. Okay, let us start with this. What we have is how much time does a train take to travel a distance of 507 km from the New Delhi and Lucknow if the average speed of the train is 72 km per hour. Okay, that's all fine. I think ये examples fourth one के साथ match हो रहा है, because fourth one में भी I remember एक train बना था. तो let us do this once again. This is something a common, बहुत common example है. Seventh one, a page number 40, lesson number 2. ICSE board, what we have is a physics. What we have is the physics. Okay, this is your physics books, and let us start with this. What we have is again train. Okay, so many times we have drawn a train like this, and I hope it's all clear to all. मतलब क्या हम लोग use करने वाले अभी. Which formula means when you are seeing something like this, there's surely a position or two position, a motion, and the time taken. Formula पहले सी side में लिख के रखो. That is u s is equal to d upon t, and then what we have is this. Okay, that's all fine. That's all fine. Then what we have is distance 507 kilometer. Distance 507 kilometer means this distance is 507 kilometer. Then what we have is the speed. Speed is 72 kilometer per hour. That's all fine. So what is given? Distance is given. Then what is this? Speed is given. Again. This is the same type sum. What we have, a same type sum. What we have is your this. Okay. तो t ऊपर जाएगा and s नीचे आएगा. Just like t will go up, d is there, s will come down. Okay, that's really fine. Okay, what is your distance? 507. What is your this speed? What is your speed? Is your 72. Division करो and surely you will get something like 4.0 7.041, and that's your is your R, the R taken. So ये भी easy था. I think बाकी सब में they are asking find out speed or distance, but first time they had asked about your time. So that's all for your 7th and the last one. Let us see the last one. Diagram is really nice. Okay, so अगर किसी को कुछ क्वेश्चन है देखिए and simply comment, तो मैं आंसर दूंगा. Again I am saying मैं आंसर दूंगा in comment section also. It's not like कि वीडियो में ही सब खत्म हो गया. You can surely comment any time on the video and you can ask, and I will surely, if your question is satisfying, I will surely say something. Okay, finally the last question है. That is the last numerical of lesson number 2 again of your motion, your physics subject of the icse, a 7th standard. Okay, let us see. Ramesh went from his residence. Pahli line. Okay, we have Ramesh and we have residence means is the home. Okay, that's all fine. A, that is the A position. Then to the office. Okay, we got an office, we got a big building. Okay, a compound. Okay, that's all fine. Okay, office, that's your second position. And what we have, office in the morning, covering distance of the 24.5 kilometer. ये distance है from your residence to your, मतलब from home to your office, and then in 30 minutes. Okay, in 30 minutes. That's all. This is the first case. एक line draw कर दे. Okay, that's all fine. Next, in evening he returns from the office to the residence. Means now the arrow will be like this. Now अभी क्या करना है इसमें? अभी क्या हुआ? The same distance with 40 minutes. Okay, मतलब distance उतना ही था. 40 minutes. मतलब you can do comparison. जब वो home से ऑफिस जा रहा था तभी 30 मिनट्स, एंड आते वक्त उससे ज़्यादा टाइम लगा. मे बी रिक्शा मिली नहीं रहेगी, चल गया रहेगा, तो मे बी अब बस रिक्शा कुछ तो हुआ रहेगा सीन है उसका. दैट्स सो फाइन. ओके, सो ज़्यादा टाइम लगा. डिस्टेंस इज सेम एंड योर टाइम इज चेंजिंग, एंड दे आर सेइंग अबाउट टू फाइंड द स्पीड. ओके, फॉर्मूला सबको मालूम है. दैट इज द स्पीड इज इक्वल टू डिस्टेंस अपॉन टाइम. And now this is also easy. This is nothing bigger thing, and this is nothing. Let us see. Minutes. Yeah, the minutes. Then we have to take an average of minutes, and then that's all fine. Speed निकालने बोला. We have the distance that is your same. We have the distance that is your same, and we have a time जिसका हमें average चाहिए. Let us start with this. Speed is equal to distance. Distance is equal to your 24.5 upon your time. But before starting with the filling, I will say what is your time. सो टाइम एक था 40 मिनट्स और एक था 30 मिनट्स, दोनों का डिवीजन बाय 2 बिकॉज 2 नंबर है, तो विल गेट समथिंग आंसर 35 एवरेज ऑफ दिस, एंड विल गेट ये 35 हम लोग यहाँ पे रखेंगे जहाँ पे t है. Now, if you do the division of this, surely you will get something like 0.7 km per minute, and that's so fine. That's so fine. So again, I will give one notice to all. Please diagram बनवा physics च्या प्रॉब्लेम मध्ये. जर तुम्ही डायग्राम बनवता तर नक्की फिजिक्सचे सम तुम्हाला इझी जाणार. येस, फॉर्म्युला सर्वांना माहिती असतो, पण फॉर्म्युलाचा वापर कसा करावा, कन्वर्जन कधी आहे, आणि जस्ट लाइक दिस व्हाट वी हैव इज, हम लोग ने अभी यहाँ पे देखा, यू हैव टेकन द एवरेज एंड देन वो पहला लिया एंड देन वी हैड पुट ऑन दिस. अदरवाइज यू कैन टेक आफ्टर फिलिंग ऑल्सो, यू कैन डू, मतलब वेस्ट तो बहुत है, बट सिलेक्ट द वे विच इज इजी एंड यू गेट द मार्क्स. ऐसा नहीं कि यस सॉल्व किया बट मार्क्स नहीं मिला, बिकॉज समवेयर दैट वाज नॉट इन लेसन नंबर 2. वो मेथड वैसा होना भी चाहिए. सो दिस रियली नाइस, and if you have any doubts, you can surely comment, and if you want any video of your any lesson, no matter that's your 7th standard, 8th standard, any standard physics, any board physics, I will surely make for you all. So yes, that's all. This was the lesson number 2, motion 7th standard ICSE board and numerical problem. ये 4 हम लोग ने last lecture में solve किया था, and this I will shortly say some lecture, some class what we are doing right now, and just take the advantage of this point, do some improvement, develop your methods of solving, do more variations, and that's all from Master Harshal Dalvi. And yes, do suggest video, that's all.